Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we're down in another crawl space here in Millsboro, Delaware. And we wrapped this up a couple weeks ago. It just turned out absolutely fantastic. If you're thinking about improving your energy costs, making sure you don't have mold growth that travels through the stack effect up into your living space, so you have better indoor air quality, you want to give HydroHero a call. But before we get this thing started and I roll this video out to you, I just want to thank you so much for watching these videos. And if you're on YouTube watching these, I want to thank all my subscribers for constantly watching us and getting us some more exposure. We really appreciate that, and we're trying to change an industry in a positive way that is lacking severely in quality. So thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for the shares and the likes and the positive comments. It means a lot to us. So let's get this thing rolling. Okay, so here we are in this crawl space, like I said, down in Millsboro, Delaware. So there was a slight mold remediation that had to be done here. Not very big one, but that's all taken care of. The wood all looks like brand new now, as you can see. We have the insulation still in the subfloor for this particular job. We have our HydroSeal vapor barrier installed on the ground, sealed properly to the foundation wall. We have all the columns wrapped. We have an inspection gap for termites. So there was a termite problem here about 20 years ago. Doesn't exist anymore. Want to take you through here. Just really look at how well this install is. So just absolutely smooth and beautiful. The guys did a really good job. I want to give a shout out to Melvin and Bradley that knocked this one out. I mean, you guys always do superior work, and we really appreciate that. Take you over here. Now, the relative humidity in this crawl space is always maintained around 45%. When it's on colder days, it gets even lower. You want to maintain your crawl space relative humidity below 50%. Because you'll stop not only mold growth, but things like dust mites and certain types of bacteria and stuff that like to thrive at over 50% relative humidity. A lot of people aren't talking about that because they don't really think that they're educated on that particular portion. They just kind of think about mold and not the other things that affect your indoor air quality or your health. So here we are. Just absolutely beautiful job. Once again. So if you're thinking about having your crawl space encapsulated, we really would like to talk to you. We really want to show you what good quality is. Once I am out of here, I am going to try to get a video testimonial from our customer about their experience, and then share that with you. So let's go over to our workhorse. Got the HydroSeal vapor barrier down, everything sealed up, great mold remediation done, and it'll stay that way because we have our workhorse, the AprilAire 1850 dehumidifier. So as you can see, 38% relative humidity down here right now. This thing just absolutely, when you're working with our HydroSeal vapor barrier system, we have everything installed and sealed up properly. With the AprilAire 1850 dehumidifier, it is just a combination that works every single time. Just absolutely great control of humidity and does not run up your energy bill. This actually lowers your energy cost. That's why in the home improvement or the home performance industry, crawl space encapsulation or sealing up the crawl space is really recommended. So if you're looking to improve not just your indoor air quality, and protect your home from mold growth, but also get better energy efficiency, contact HydroHero 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much.